Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll be sharing my experience and preparation in clearing CTET paper 1 in the first attempt. So I cleared paper 1 in December 2022 and I decided to write paper 1 at a later stage, realizing that it is beneficial to have an extra qualification. So paper 1 is for teaching students at level 1 to 5. Just like in paper 2, the preparation duration was very less. I took hardly 1 month of preparation. I cleared this exam while I was doing my MA. So I would go to the library after classes and study approximately 1 to 2 hours a day. And there were certain days when I could prepare for only 30 minutes to 1 hour. And some days I wasn't able to prepare due to my MA assignments and presentation preparations. I have shown in one of my vlogs that I am preparing for an exam, and this was that exam. So I'll be sharing my preparation strategy I used for this exam. So paper 1 consists of child development and pedagogy, mathematics, environmental studies, language 1, language 2. The exam is for 150 marks and there will be 150 questions, each carrying 1 mark, and the best part is that there is no negative marking. So the first paper is child development and pedagogy. This paper includes learning theories, experiments and more to the level of students from 1 to 5. So we have to refer the books accordingly. So B.Ed portions might not be enough for this. So I bought this book by Himanshi Singh. She is a YouTuber, and I also referred R. Gupta's, which was available in university library. So it was very helpful. I referred these books for preparation, and for more sometimes I would just go and refer in the Google for better understanding. So I bought this book because writing paper 1 was not like paper 2, since I cleared paper 2 while I was still pursuing my B.Ed and the concepts were fresh on my mind and I had my notes back then. This wasn't the case for paper 1 preparation. I had to revise those topics since I didn't remember everything in detail and it had extra topics too. So this book was helpful because it had lots of capsule notes, diagrams and previous year question papers. So for the next paper, I didn't rely on R. Gupta's. Instead, I solved previous year question papers and watched YouTube videos for guidance. There are plenty of videos available on YouTube and it was very useful. A quick extra tip is that many people took a lot of time to solve this part, which led to lack of time during the exam. Luckily, I was able to manage it because I solved many previous year question papers and solved related questions more. And another tip is that try to refer NCERT textbooks of these classes for this subject. So for the next paper, which is environmental studies, I relied on R. Gupta's and previous year question papers, Google. And an extra tip for this is that if you have time, do refer NCERT textbooks. For the next paper, which is language 1, which was English, for this I didn't prepare much. I just solved the question papers, that's all. It was one of the parts I was confident and I knew the lack of time and energy to prepare, so I used this time for preparing for language 2. You can choose whichever language in this and I chose Hindi. So for this, I learned from YouTube classes, I solved question papers and I also referred to few NCERT textbooks. In all these papers, one of the common things is the teaching part, where you will have questions of how you will handle certain situations, topics, best approaches of teaching, etc. The syllabus for this exam is clearly mentioned in the information bulletin and the previous year question papers are available on the main website. In case of books, I usually rely on Arihant publication, but this time I went for whichever was available in the library. So this was my preparation strategy. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, like this video, subscribe to this channel so that it keeps me motivated to put more such useful videos. Comment down your queries and exam preparation strategy. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.